Welcome to the motivational universe.
Welcome to this channel, Motivational Universe. Before starting the video, leave your like and subscribe to our channel to help us thank you. Today we will talk about Ho'oponopono, memory cleaning, healing, limiting beliefs, and self-identity. Hello, welcome to the video about Ho'oponopono, the prayer for healing limiting memories and beliefs. Ho'oponopono is a Hawaiian practice that teaches how to clean up the memories and beliefs that limit us so we can live more freely and happily. In this video, we will explore how the Ho'oponopono prayer can help heal limiting memories and beliefs from this life and past lives, and how Dr. H.E.W. Len and Morna Simona contributed to its teachings. Ho'oponopono is an ancient practice that has been used in Hawaii to resolve conflicts between people and families, heal diseases, and bring harmony to the community. Over time, the practice has evolved and has been used as a powerful tool to heal the memories and beliefs that limit us and affect our daily life. The Ho'oponopono prayer for self-identity is one of the most popular ways to apply this practice, and we will explore it in detail in this video. Ho'oponopono means to correct a wrong or to make right what is wrong. The practice involves taking responsibility for everything that happens in our lives because everything we experience is a projection of our own memories and beliefs. By clearing these memories and beliefs, we can release the behavior and thought patterns that keep us stuck in difficult situations and relationships. The Ho'oponopono prayer for self-identity is one of the most powerful ways to apply this practice. It involves repeating 4 simple phrases: "I'm sorry," "Please forgive me," "I love you," and "thank you." These phrases are directed at the higher self or inner divinity, which represents our connection to the universe and the source of all creation. By repeating these phrases, we are asking for the help of the higher self to clear the memories and beliefs that limit us and keep us in a state of gratitude and love. The prayer for self-identity is a powerful tool to help release limiting memories and beliefs that prevent us from reaching our full potential. Next, we will explore how the practice of Ho'oponopono can help heal limiting memories and beliefs from this life and past lives. By repeating these phrases, we are connecting with our higher self and asking for help to clear the memories and beliefs that prevent us from reaching our true potential. The practice of Ho'oponopono can be a deep journey of self-discovery, forgiveness, healing, and personal transformation. In addition, by practicing Ho'oponopono, we are cultivating an attitude of responsibility and love towards ourselves and the world around us. By taking responsibility for everything that happens in our lives, we are becoming active agents of change, rather than just victims of circumstances. It is important to remember that the practice of Ho'oponopono is not a magic solution to all our problems, but rather a powerful tool to help us face the challenges of life with more love, compassion, and wisdom. Therefore, it is essential to practice with consistency and dedication, always with an open heart and a calm and receptive mind. If you are looking for a way to free yourself from the limiting memories and beliefs that prevent you from reaching your true potential, Ho'oponopono can be a transformative and liberating practice. Try repeating the 4 cleansing phrases 108 times a day or as many times as necessary and feel the power of healing and transformation in your life. You can perform the Ho'oponopono practice by repeating 108 times to clear memories and limiting beliefs that prevent you from achieving your dreams and goals, and you can say the Ho'oponopono prayer before starting 108 repetitions using the 4 phrases of the Ho'oponopono. For example, "I'm Maria, I'm sorry, to forgive me, I love you, I'm grateful," or "I'm George, I'm sorry, I love you, I'm grateful." And don't forget, it's a powerful practice, but it doesn't work miracles if you're not truly willing to strive. For these changes to happen in your life, let's go to prayer. Divine Creator, Father, Mother, Son, all in one. If I, my family, my relatives, and ancestors have offended your family, relatives, and ancestors in thoughts, words, deeds, and actions from the beginning of our creation until now, we ask for your forgiveness. Let it be cleaned, purified, released, and cut from all memories, blockages, energies, and negative vibrations. Transmute these unwanted energies into pure light. To clear my subconscious of all the emotional baggage stored within, I repeat the Ho'oponopono keywords many times during my day. I'm sorry, please forgive me, I love you, thank you. I declare myself at peace with all people on earth and those with whom I have outstanding debts, now and in their own time. For everything that displeases me in my present life, I say, I'm sorry, please forgive me, I love you, thank you. I release all those whom I believe are causing me harm and mistreatment because they simply return to me what I did to them in a past life. Even if it is difficult for me to forgive someone, I am the one who asks for their forgiveness now and forever. For everything that displeases me in my present life, I say again, I'm sorry, please forgive me, I love you, thank you. I am grateful for this sacred space in which I live every day, even if I am not comfortable with it. For all the difficult relationships that I only hold bad memories of, I say, I'm sorry, please forgive me, I love you, thank you. For everything that displeases me in my present life, in my past life, in my work, and around me, divinity, cleanse in me what is contributing to my scarcity. If my physical body experiences anxiety, worry, guilt, fear, sadness, and pain, I speak and think of my memories. I love you, I am grateful for the opportunity to free myself and others. I'm sorry, please forgive me, I love you, thank you. At this moment, I affirm that I love you and think of my emotional health and that of all my loved ones. For my needs and to learn to wait without anxiety or fear, I acknowledge my memories here and now. I'm sorry, I love you. My contribution to the healing of our beloved Mother Earth, who I am, is that if I, my family, my relatives, and our ancestors have mistreated her with thoughts, words, deeds, and actions from the beginning of our creation until now, I ask for your forgiveness. Let it be cleaned, purified, released, and cut from all memories, blockages, and negative vibrations. Transmute these unwanted energies into pure light. To conclude, I say that this prayer is my doorway to contributing to your emotional health, which is the same as mine. So be well, and as you heal, I say that I am sorry for the painful memories we share. I ask for your forgiveness for joining my path with yours for healing. Thank you for being here with me. I love you for who you are. In this video, you learned about the powerful practice of Ho'oponopono and how it can transform your life. We hope it was helpful for you. If you liked this content and want to see more like it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss anything. Also, if you know someone who can benefit from this content, share this video with that person. Together, we can spread this powerful practice and help more people transform their lives. Finally, we want to thank you for watching this video and being part of our community. Your participation is very important to us. See you next time.